Tired of hitting Zapier's limits just to move your Airtable data to Google Sheets? Let's ditch the middleman. First, in Airtable, go to the view you want to export. Think of it like selecting exactly the data you need. Ensure you're in a grid view. Other views may not export as cleanly. Click on the grid view. Now, rename the grid to what you'd like to name the Google Sheet to make it easier to find when exporting. Now, click on the three dots next to the name of your grid. Select the Download CSV option. This will save your Airtable data as a separated values file, which Google Sheets loves. Find the downloaded CSV file in your Downloads folder. Next, open Google Sheets and click File located in the upper left-hand corner. Then, select Import. Drag and drop that downloaded CSV file into the Google Sheets import dialog box. Choose your separator option. In this case, it is a comma because we downloaded the data as a CSV file. Finally, click Import Data. That's it. You've successfully moved your Airtable data to Google Sheets without ever touching Zapier. Now, go forth and analyze.